The windscreen mount supplied with the Hema navigation devices has been tested across all conditions, road and track, in Australia. To mount your navigation device, follow these easy steps. The first step is to attach your device to the mount and click it in place. Loosen both the adjustment wheels on the arm. Just slightly, give you a bit more room to move. Leaving the suction mount protective cover in place, move the device around the windscreen until you find where you'd like it to be positioned. Once you have found the ideal position, clean the windscreen with the alcohol wipe provided and allow the cleaned area to dry. While the area is drying, ensure the suction lever on the mount itself is in the off position. Remove that protective cover. Press it firmly against the windscreen, and while doing so, move the suction lever to the on position. And your device is now attached to the windscreen. You can now make micro adjustments using the adjustment wheels as necessary, and tightening the adjustment wheels when complete. Your windscreen mount will now be firmly attached to your windscreen.